today I came to convince you of you being a Facebook creator if you're not one today. It's a must. I'm going to give you the benefits I've enjoyed and other few people are enjoying. If you agree with me, even if you don't agree with me, you're going to accept. But meanwhile, let me give you a kiss. Good morning, my top engagers. Good morning to all our new subscribers. Hope you're doing well. Would you believe if someone told you that the app you're seeing, that messenger app you're seeing, the one you use for calling, the one you use to keep your photos, the one you call a fan, it has 1,001 benefits as far as being a creator is concerned. Would you believe that people are meeting their dream life, dream cars, dream wives, dream everything through this app? So in today's video, I'm going to give you 10 benefits of being a creator on Facebook, not any other but Facebook. I'll be giving them to you in short and they will be precise and summarized. I've enjoyed them. You can also enjoy them. But this is a disclaimer. I'm not here to tell you that I'm a financial buoyant. I know what it's 100%. The moment you start, you're going to get money. Some people are going to post their one post and come back and say, but Tina, you told us that there's money. I'm not seeing money. No, baby girl, I'm giving you 10% of this knowledge. The 90%, I want you to pick your phone, pick your Google, go and research. What you get, when you feel you can do it like me, you do it. If you feel it's not for you, you just leave it. So let's dive in and see these 10 benefits of being a content creator on Facebook. The first one is one that I can give it 100 out of 100. That is monetization opportunities. Do you know, when you're a Facebook creator, you enjoy a lot of opportunities as far as being paid is concerned in monetization form. 1, it is AdSense earning. 2, it is stars. We have subscription, we have bonuses, we have brand sponsorship, we have you can even go to the extent of being brand collaborators. The moment you collaborate with another person, it means you're going to earn more from his audience or her audience. So this is one of the benefits that I've enjoyed and you can enjoy. You guys, I earn from stars. Subscription, though not too much, I earn from AdSense. So what are you telling me? And recently, we are enjoying bonuses like nothing. Give me one platform that has given you bonuses like Facebook. It's none other than Facebook. The second one is wide range of audience. Almost the whole world, I can say the whole population is on Facebook. So Facebook has billion of users, and this makes it local, makes it simple for local people like us to go global. Someone in another end of the world will know what Immaculate Show is. Another one will know what, not by force but by kweyendera. The algorithm will have to advertise you, will have to push you. The third one is low startup cost. When I hear someone saying, I want to first buy a camera, I want to first buy a phone, these are the people that will not even finish 2 years if you're prepared like that. Don't forget that Facebook says, just bring your phone, whichever smartphone is, as long as you are connected to internet, and I start giving you money. Yes, you have to work for it. Then we talk about multiple content formats. Give me one platform that will give you a provision to create reels, you earn. A provision to make stories, you earn. A provision to make live videos, you earn. A provision to make long videos, you earn. A provision to make text posts, you earn. Without forgetting photos, you earn. Which platform? Which really platform? And many more others. They are none other than this one. So here it gives you multiple form of content formats. You're not limited to one. So if you're not a talker, if you can't face the camera and talk for 5 minutes, you can say, let me take a photo. If you can't take a photo, you can say, let me take my studio setup. If you can't stay, you have food. You have where you go. You have environment. I've seen people going to wildlife. What are you talking about? There are a lot of things. You need to be a creator on Facebook. Then consistent daily income potentials. You guys, With the right strategy, creators are earning a lot of money in form of stars, in form of real bonuses. So with this, for it, it is consistent. It's not that it's periodic. You know, I love Facebook for one reason. You'll put a post, you continue monitoring its income on hourly basis, minute basis. You can hit, provided God has touched your cheek like this, you can hit the amount of money in a day that you don't believe. Then we have also personal branding building. Oh, that is a very great advantage. You know, when I hear some people say, you know, my brand, don't kill my brand. Gone are the days when we used to think brand is like Coca-Cola, brand is like McDonald's, KFC, those are brands. But now you can sit here on Facebook and make your brand. So there's personal branding. It makes you build trust. It gives you authority. It recognizes you, and it turns your name into a brand. Now you don't need to have billions to be a brand, but you can build your brand from zero to billions. And then there is community ownership. This one, let me first. I love so much this one. Why? Community ownership. It has, it makes you build loyal followers, build subscribers. Why do you think at the beginning of this video I said, greetings to my top engagers, to my top followers? There are these people, who have been with us, the subscribers, the people who promote our content. This is how Facebook is top notch. It is more than any other thing. Then I know someone is going to be there and say, but I've been there, but I don't get people. You need the right strategy, you need the right time, and you need persistent. Then algorithm favors consistent creators. This is what I've loved. Serious, I've loved this. New and consistent creators still get attention, they still get reach, they still get likes. It is not like if you're just a young creator with no big numbers, you can't get attention. No, this is the good thing with Facebook. Business promotion and opportunities, you guys. This is what is good with it. You can use your page to sell your products, to sell other people's products. You can use your page to do affiliate offers. When we're talking about affiliate offers, I mean affiliate marketing and many more. Should we talk on this one? This is the best that really sweetens me. It is skill and career growth. Skill and career growth. If you start with Facebook, you're going to gain content creation skills, marketing, communication, digital skills. All these ones, they are going to open beyond your imaginations, because it's when you're going to see what people are teaching, what you're missing, what you can add, what you can do, all these ones. So with Facebook, you're good to go. And that's why I'm encouraging you, wherever you are, just pick your phone. If you know you're not on a Facebooker, you're just on TikTok, you're on Instagram, you're on Facebook, on YouTube, don't forget to be on Facebook. So guys, this has been me, Christine, on Immaculate Show. The lady that says I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. It was nice being with you. Don't forget to like video. Merry Christmas and happy festivals. Don't forget to find us on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook. And mark you, share this video.